Welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to use Putlocker safely. Putlocker is a rest haven for streaming lovers, being a free streaming service with tons of quality shows and movies that you can watch with a few clicks of a mouse. But did you know that Putlocker was taken down multiple times by the authorities? And also, did you know that many of the movies and shows that are available on this website are shared illegally? Basically, you can't use Putlocker safely out of the box, and we already mentioned some of the reasons for that. First, you need to know that by streaming pirated content on Putlocker or any other website, you're putting yourself in danger because that's considered illegal and is practically a copyright infringement. By the way, just visiting the website is not illegal. Simply put, your internet service provider or ISP sees your online activity all the time, and when it notices that you're streaming copyrighted content on a website like this, it informs the copyright holder, which can later sue you and put you into legal issues with the authorities, which you obviously can't solve in your favor because you're 100% guilty. And then, depending on your jurisdiction, you will have to pay a hefty fine or get jail time in case we are talking about more strict countries. Second, the quote-unquote real Putlocker does not exist. Instead, all the results you get when you search online are Putlocker proxies, and proxies are not safe to use because many times hackers are those that stand behind them. Hackers can easily hijack your device through ads and pop-ups that will take you by surprise, and by doing so, they can steal your personal information such as credit card number or social media account passwords. Lastly, all movies and shows on Putlocker are hosted by third-party websites, and Putlocker doesn't host any content, as you can see in its legal disclaimer. So basically, whenever you watch a movie or show, you're doing it at your own risk, which Putlocker also says, not knowing which third-party website you're fetching this movie or show from, and what it can do to you, your privacy, or your device. With that said, it's clear that this website or series of websites is not safe, and with that in mind, the question is how to use Putlocker safely. Before I give you the answer to that question, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new useful video like this. Now, back to the subject of this video. To be able to use Putlocker safely, you need ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an application that you can install on your computer, smartphone, smart TV, laptop, tablet, or even a router, and it lets you change your IP address to any of the 94 countries that it offers. By changing your IP address, you encrypt your connection with military-grade encryption that ExpressVPN has, thus preventing anyone, including your ISP, from seeing your online activities. ExpressVPN doesn't only hide your activities from the prying eyes, but it also lets you bypass geo restrictions and unblock websites that are not available in your country because it gives you the ability to change your IP to another country, making any website you visit believe that this is your true location. This VPN has rock-solid security, and apart from military-grade encryption, it offers an automatic kill switch that will automatically shut down your internet connection if you lose the connection to the VPN server, preventing you from exposing your real identity to the public eye accidentally. And lastly, the VPN has a certified no-logging policy, meaning that it stores no logs of your browsing history, IP addresses, and DNS queries, which is essential for using Putlocker safely. What all of this means is that your ISP won't be able to see what you're doing online, so it can't report you to the authorities even if you stream copyrighted content for free. Moreover, with military-grade encryption and other security measures, hackers won't be able to hijack your device and deal damage, making pretty much any website safe to use while connected to the VPN server. So, let's see how to use Putlocker safely by using ExpressVPN. First, I need to encrypt my connection, and to do so, I must connect to any of the 3000 servers in 94 countries from ExpressVPN. I will first click here to open the server list, choose all locations, and from here I can go for any of the countries. For example, let's click on Europe and then connect to a server in the UK. To do so, I just need to double click on the United Kingdom, and ExpressVPN will quickly establish a connection to the VPN server in this country. I now have a UK IP address and I encrypted my connection so I can enjoy all the benefits I previously mentioned. Now, to use Putlocker safely, all I need to do is visit the website and try to stream any of the movies and shows. For example, let's click on Fast 9 and then try to watch this movie by clicking on the play button. You can see that it works flawlessly, but I'm blurring the footage to avoid any potential copyright issues. Bear in mind that the website will work without ExpressVPN as well, but you put yourself in great risk because pretty much all of the movies and shows here are copyrighted. And I'm just showing you how to use Putlocker safely for the sake of the video. I do not condone violating copyrights or any other illegal online activities on this channel. Also, we need to point out that ExpressVPN is not free unfortunately, but free VPNs have very weak security, low-grade encryption, and oftentimes they don't even have an automatic kill switch, so they're not secure if you want to use Putlocker safely. Not to mention that they store logs of your personal info and browsing history, which they later sell to third parties to be able to earn revenue, violating your privacy and exposing your real identity to the authorities if they're asked to comply with the laws. Plus, they offer limited bandwidth on a monthly basis that you can pretty much waste by watching one movie or a few episodes of your favorite show. On the other hand, ExpressVPN stores no logs of your browsing history, it has unlimited bandwidth, rock-solid security, and the fastest speeds on the market, making streaming even in 4K a breeze. Because of that, it is the best solution to use Putlocker safely. Luckily for you, ExpressVPN offers a 49% discount and 3 months free for the annual plan, accompanied by a 30-day money-back guarantee, which lets you get a full refund if you don't like it or you simply don't need it anymore. For example, you can use ExpressVPN to enjoy your favorite show on Putlocker, and when you finish, just contact ExpressVPN's customer support in the first 30 days of your purchase, say that you want to get a refund, and they'll give you your money back the same day in less than a few hours. To get this deal on ExpressVPN, simply use the following link: comparative-vpn.fr/evpn, or of course, you can just click on the link in the description box below the video to claim this deal on ExpressVPN. As you had a chance to see, it's quite easy to use Putlocker safely with ExpressVPN. Just open the application, connect to any of the 3000 servers to encrypt your connection, visit Putlocker and enjoy streaming. Also, you can use ExpressVPN to unblock geo-restricted websites, download torrents safely, access different Netflix catalogs, and browse the web in complete anonymity. So, this was all for today's video. We hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you smash the like button below the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay with us because many more videos like this are coming very soon. See you in the next video. Bye!